So whatever money you want to save, you can save in your bachelor life only. As you get married, then saving words get removed from your dictionary. So
How did you spend the money from your very first job? या फर्स्ट सैलरी बोल सकते हैं.
Very first salary.
then I can answer till that they both can
Yes.
think on that. So actually, as I told you, my first job when I joined at VNIT Nagpur. So at that time in 2003, it was 5,000 salary per month. So obviously, whenever anyone gets a first salary, he think of his family first. He takes something for his mother, father, and sisters, and whatever the family members they are having. So similar way I have spent it in that. But basically, I am having a nature of saving. So saving itself is earning. This is a phrase written on Hitwada City Line. If you read that money section that comes, I think on Tuesday, every Tuesday. So saving itself is earning is written on that particular page. So I am having that particular nature. And I think that I can give one suggestion to you all as you are going to get graduate. So whatever money you want to save, you can save in your bachelor life only. As you get married, then saving words get removed from your dictionary. So, so whatever you want to save and you want to do for yourself, that you can do in bachelor life only. So I will suggest you all to enjoy your bachelor life to the fullest. That is during your studies also, and after completion of studies, whatever job you will join or you may go for higher studies, you whatever you are doing, you can enjoy your life till you get married. So you enjoy your life fullest till you get married. So whatever you want to do, I think I will suggest you to at least visit one place in India or abroad every year with your friend circle, because I realized this thing after marriage that I have not enjoyed at the fullest in my bachelor's life, and I now don't have any other option. So, as earlier also Khan sir said that we want to go for outing with friends. Now, if I want to go for outing, I have to. I cannot go alone. I have 4 5 members in family, and as my younger kid is of 3.5 years, so our complete time get invested in handling him. So now you can say, if you want to ask me that whether you want to go for outing, I will prefer that as he reaches 6 years or at least 5 years after that, I will prefer to go out. Now Atul sir can also identify the problem that he is having a very young kid, like I think 1 year is not also over. So
6.5 months.
6.5 months. So if he has to go out, he can go alone. And if he want to go with family, his complete time will be invested in handling that particular kid. And we have to carry a 2 3 bags for that kid only, and single bag for our things. So that becomes a very tedious. So basically, spending wise salary, so that everyone does the same, that he takes some gifts for families. And just my suggestion at your end will be one thing that I already told you: to enjoy your life fullest in your bachelor life and your studying life, but parallelly maintain the things like you are enjoying the life as well as you are maintaining an average score in your studies also. And why I want to tell you that you move out from this city every year once in a group, visiting different places enriches your knowledge. Otherwise, if you remain at single place, you think that this is the world only. So hence I use world. You may go out of India or you stay in India, you visit some places, so that your knowledge definitely increases. And definitely as you are going out with your friends, so that time is a quality time is there, yeah, and that becomes a memorable event. hence every year in final year I suggest final year students that do not miss the opportunity of industrial tour. You may call it as an industrial tour of 3 days, but that 3 days exclusively you friends are moving out with each other, and that becomes a lifetime achievement. I also this time I remember that my industrial tour was from Shegaon Engineering College to Nashik industrial area, and spiritual approach of our institute is more, so we have visited Vani and then Gajanan Maharaj Sansthan at Trambakeshwar, along with that Nashik industrial area. But that photos and that quality time which we spend in that industrial tour, because after final year you will not at all get an opportunity to move in that number. Like Khan sir said that in their class there are 60 or 40, but they are now 10 are close to each other. So in that your period also you will be hardly 5 or 10 closest to each other. So other than you will not get because I observed that in this get together you make new friends that are in your class from first year to final year, but you are not known about the hidden qualities of that particular friends. So in Marathi it says that sukta gunanna vav bhetna. So that is a platform. A tour is a platform where hidden talents comes out, and then many new friends or the closeness of friends increased a lot. So use that time. So definitely enjoy your bachelor time, and whatever the salaries you are getting, maintain the balance. You do some savings and enjoy your life at the fullest. Okay, thank you very much.
As far as my first salary was concerned, I was working as a dishwasher. भांडे घासत होतो मी in a Mexican restaurant called Taco Mayo. I was there in US. So on campus, I was working in a restaurant and I was a dishwasher over there. So my first salary, I remember the very first paycheck that I got was for, I think, $90 or $85 something for a week. And I used to walk from my house to the university. So with those $85, the very first thing that I purchased by myself was a bicycle. If I think $50-60 I bought one bicycle, and then I used to ride on that bicycle. So that was the very first thing that I bought with my salary. But to be very frank, at that point of time, coming from a family background where throughout my life I have not even lifted a glass of water, and going on to wash dishes to sustain myself was a very great experience. And I realized that I was very good at washing dishes. Okay, I did tell that to my wife. Okay, that I am a very good dishwasher, but she never took advantage of that. Okay, she is the one who washes the dishes. But that experience was a very different kind of experience for me, washing dishes to earn living. And with that money, I went and bought a cycle for myself. So that was the very first thing that I bought from my own earned money. Apart from that, pure life mein to parents ne hi sab kuch diya tha. So I'm happy about the fact. And once I came back to India and I got into a job at Pune, with my first salary, I remember I bought a wristwatch for my mother and for my aunt. I'm very close to my aunt, my mom's elder sister, and I bought some stuff for her. And I remember the happiness that was there on her face, because that was the very first time I had given her something, and she was proud of the fact that you are gifting me something out of your own earnings. So that kind of a happiness and whatever blessings she might have given me, that has helped me sustain a long way. That's why I feel I'm here today, thanks to her blessings. So those were the two things that I remember as far as my first earnings and spendings are concerned.
As far as I go, my first salary was in Nagpur itself. I was an engineer with KEC International. So totally against the ideas, I bought a phone for myself. Means the advent of smartphones just started, and Nokia was that at that time in 2010, I think. Nokia was the leader in that. So Engage, E72, these were the prime phones in those times. So there was one model, E5, which was to be launched by the Nokia. That was a basic business phone. through which the basic Microsoft applications such as Word and Excel were launched in that phone. So I can proudly say that according to the Nokia Care Center person, that I was the first person in the whole Nagpur to buy that phone. At that time, that phone cost me around 12,500, and my salary at the first salary which I got was 13,500. और कैसा था, घर में रहने के कारण उसके बाद के अगले महीने की सैलरी मुझे नहीं मिली, वो घर में लाके देनी पड़ी थी मेरे को, बाकी so that was it. I bought a phone for myself.